welcome to a bit of a... Good morning everybody, sorry about Harry's being a noisy bastard. We got ML, we got the S15. Good morning hungover lady. Good morning not so hungover lady. And good morning to you.
Hi.
This morning we are at lovely Rockingham. Mark Sweeps is actually doing 4 new track layouts today, so if you guys can give Rockingham a cheeky little follow down here, we'd really appreciate it. The car is looking super sexual as always. We haven't actually done a huge amount of stuff since we were at Three Sisters last week, but we're going to give it another bash today, see if the engine lasts. Dave's just going to do a couple of little bits just to get the car ready, then we'll head out and track in about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to show you all the wonderful cars at Rockingham. Right, that completes my little car park walk. Mr. Dave's got the S15 ready, so we're going to strap up, put the GoPros on and do some fat nuggets. Right, we are all good to go. I've got my helmet at the ready, I've got my GoPro, I've got my camera girl. Let's do some dugs. Right, here we are on the track. I'm going to try the intermediate track first, which should be pretty cool. head back into the pits and do a little investigation with Dave and see what's going on. Right, we've just had a little bit of lunch, very nom nom. My car is currently having a photo shoot done. For now, we're gonna go and watch a little bit of drifting. Once my car's finished at the photo shoot, we've actually got some power steering fluid, which Will Smith very kindly gave to us, so we're gonna change the power steering fluid, which should hopefully rectify the issues. At the moment, the steering is literally impossible to steer, so hopefully a little power steering fluid change will rectify that. There's my car having a little cheeky photo shoot, everything drift, very nom nom. It's very impressive, Rockingham. It's a really nice track. If you guys sort of look around here, you'll see what I mean. It's pretty goddamn impressive. Rockingham looking absolutely beautiful as always. Guys are just down there taking a photo of my car, so let's go and see what they're up to. I've finished having my photo shoot, so now Dave and I are very quickly just going to change the power steering fluid on the S15. Macaulay has just taken the sickest photo I think I've ever seen. He's managed to make me look quite handsome. Look at that, man. Who's that sex god? Macaulay doesn't actually get paid to come and do this, so it's really important that we embrace our motorsport photographers and give them lots of follows. So if you guys could give Macaulay a little follow down here, really appreciate it. What are you saying, Nat?
Saying,
why do you always appear when my car's broken?
Because that's what I'm here for. I'm here for your mess-ups.
Nat's an absolute legend, proper good friend of Dave's, and he's always around to give this sorry-ass monkey a little helping hand. What's happened here then? William! Talk to me, what happened?
Snap track rod end.
It looks like you've done a bit of a dirt drop.
Yeah, that was out there open. It's like
what's
fourth
that?
gear.
Track rod end?
Yeah, track rod end. Have a look.
That was interesting.
Yeah, if you like doing 360s.
Yeah. Yeah, that is definitely fucked.
That's very expensive tine end.
I was going to say, is that a tine?
Yep.
Fuck me.
That's only been on the car 2 weeks.
Why did it break?
Because I don't fucking know.
Shit. As always, drift days are never without their dramas. Mr. Willie has broken a track rod end. I've broken my power steering pump. We're trying to currently fix it, but it's not looking good, so we might have to call it a day. But I've had a fun day nonetheless. What are you saying, Batman? About to try it out. Yeah, Dave's attempted to rebuild my power steering pump, but we've rebuilt it with absolutely no parts, so it might not work, but we'll try. Dave's done a little bit of scrap heap challenge. It might work, it might not, but let's try it out. the sun has finally come out. We've got a little bit of sunshine. It was really super misty and grey earlier, but the sun has finally come out.
This gentleman here may or may not have saved your drift day, mate.
What are you doing, Dave?
Harvesting.
What, are we stealing someone's parts?
Buying, purchasing, but harvesting.
So yeah, as you guys can probably tell, my power steering pump is fucked. So young David is currently scavenging another power steering pump off another car.
No guarantee this will work. Here he is.
Oh, you fucking legend, man. What's up with your car?
Don't know, I think the pump's just shit itself.
That's it?
Yeah.
We need a pump.
Yeah.
You know my best mate.
I am.
Thanks so much, man. What we're going to try and do is salvage this RB25 power steering pump. They're not actually a direct fit, but Dave reckons we're going to try and make it fit. So we're going to get the pump off this, take it over to my car, stick it on the S15. Fingers crossed it will fit, and then we can go and hopefully do an hour's worth of skids. Dave's actually just made quite a good point. After this, we're probably going to go and buy a brand new power steering pump and a brand new steering rack as well. We keep using used parts, which is great for sort of saving a little bit of money first time round, but obviously when you have reliability issues, it's probably better just to buy the new parts to start with. So when I get back, I'm going to go to Nissan and lose some money.
Take that off.
Let's get you into it.
So as you can probably tell, I'm out in the sun enjoying Rockingham and filming the drifting. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the power steering pump fixed, so I'm going to probably have to buy a new one after this and a steering rack as well. But Dave really did try, so fair play to him. As I said before, this year is really about just trying to get the car reliable and ironing out all the creases. Then next year, once the car is hopefully sorted, we can come out and do a lot more duggets. As always, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like, put any comments down below. I'll do my best to get back to you, and we'll see you soon. Sick.